The solar system, that collection of planets, moons, asteroids, and one star we call the Sun, has always been a source of endless fascination. It's a cosmic backyard full of celestial wonders that we're only just beginning to understand. And you know me, I love when we uncover some mystery of the universe and realize just how much more we have to learn. Now, most people think about our solar system like it's this static picture in a textbook. But that couldn't be further from the truth. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving place shaped by forces that boggle the mind, forces of gravity, of time, of sheer cosmic chance. That's what we're gonna delve into today, folks. We're gonna journey through our cosmic neighborhood and uncover some mind-blowing secrets. Secrets that'll leave you looking up at the night sky with a whole new sense of wonder. Our first stop takes us to Venus, a planet often called Earth's twin. And at first glance you might see why. It's similar in size and composition to our own planet. But don't let that fool you. Venus is like that sibling who took a completely different path in life and ended up, well, a little intense. We're talking surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, folks. 462 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, which is to the Sun. How's that possible, you ask? Well, Venus has this incredibly dense atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, that traps heat like a runaway greenhouse. And speaking of running away, you'd want to get off this planet pretty quickly. Not just because of the heat, but because a day on Venus is longer than its year. That's right, it spins on its axis so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to make one rotation, while it zips around the Sun in just 225. Talk about a long day at the office. Now I know what you're thinking, how can we learn anything from a planet that's essentially a pressure cooker gone wild? Well, Venus serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes a planet habitable. It's a cautionary tale about the dangers of a runaway greenhouse effect, something we here on Earth should pay close attention to. Next up, we journey to the king of our planetary court, the behemoth, the giant among giants, Jupiter. This gas giant is so massive, so utterly colossal, that you could fit all the other planets in our solar system inside of it and still have room to spare. We're talking over 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter. Now that's what I call a heavyweight champion, but Jupiter's not just about size, it's got style too. And what's more stylish than a giant swirling storm that's been raging for centuries? I'm talking about the Great Red Spot, a hurricane-like storm so large that you could fit 3 Earths inside it. 3 Earths! This thing makes your average earthly hurricane look like a dust devil. And here's the kicker, folks. Jupiter's immense gravity actually acts as a shield, protecting us from incoming asteroids and comets. It's like our own personal cosmic bodyguard, deflecting potentially hazardous objects away from the inner solar system. So next time you're gazing up at the night sky, give a little nod to Jupiter, the protector of planets. Now let's journey beyond the planets for a moment and visit a moon so extraordinary, so bizarre, that it deserves its own time in the cosmic spotlight. I'm talking about Triton, the largest moon of Saturn, a world so alien yet so strangely familiar that it'll make your jaw drop. Imagine a world shrouded in a thick hazy atmosphere where rivers and lakes carve through icy plains. But these aren't your ordinary bodies of water, no sir. On Triton, the lakes and seas are filled with liquid methane. That's right, methane, the same stuff we use here on Earth for, well, let's just say less glamorous things. But on Triton, it's the star of the show. It rains methane, it evaporates methane, it even forms clouds of methane. It's a methane wonderland. And to top it off, the surface temperature on Triton hovers around a brisk minus 179 degrees Celsius. So pack your parka, your mittens, and your thermal underwear because it's chilly out there. But here's the thing about Triton that really blows my mind. Despite its alien landscape and frigid temperatures, Triton is actually one of the most Earth-like worlds we've ever discovered. It has a dense atmosphere, stable liquid on its surface, and even evidence of a subsurface ocean of water. Some scientists believe that Triton could even harbor life, though likely very different from life as we know it. Now hold on to your hats, folks, because our next stop takes us to a moon that's even more peculiar than Triton. I'm talking about Triton, the largest moon of Neptune, a world so bizarre, so utterly unexpected, that it'll make you question everything you thought you knew about moons. Picture this, a frigid, icy world with a surface colder than any other object in our solar system. We're talking minus 235 degrees Celsius, cold enough to freeze nitrogen solid. But that's not even the weird part. Triton is home to a phenomenon so strange, so out of this world, that it sounds like something straight out of science fiction ice volcanoes. That's right, you heard me correctly. Volcanoes that erupt, not with molten rock and lava, but with plumes of icy nitrogen gas and dust. These geysers, some of which reach heights of over 8 kilometers, paint the surface of Triton with streaks of dark material, creating a landscape that looks like a cosmic abstract painting. But Triton's got one more trick up its sleeve. It orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. That's like a car driving down the highway in reverse. This retrograde orbit, combined with its unusual surface features, suggests that Triton wasn't always a moon of Neptune. Scientists believe that it was once a dwarf planet like Pluto, that was captured by Neptune's gravity billions of years ago. Talk about a cosmic switcheroo. So, we've journeyed across our solar system, from the scorching plains of Venus to the methane lakes of Titan, from the ice volcanoes of Triton to the swirling storms of Jupiter. We've witnessed firsthand the incredible diversity, the sheer weirdness, and the mind-boggling beauty of our cosmic neighborhood. But there's one secret, one underlying truth that ties all these wonders together, one that reveals the true nature of our solar system. You see, our solar system isn't a static picture frozen in time. It's a dynamic, evolving system shaped by forces that have been at play for billions of years. Forces of gravity, of collisions, of cosmic chaos. Imagine, if you will, a giant cosmic pinball machine. Now picture planets and moons as the pinballs careening through space, bouncing off each other, pulled this way and that by the gravitational pull of the sun and other celestial objects. That's the reality of our solar system, folks. It's a cosmic dance, a game of celestial billiards where every object has a story to tell, a tale etched in its craters, its rings, its very composition. The planets we see today, the moons that orbit them, even the asteroids that hurtle through space. They're all products of this cosmic pinball game, a game that's been playing out for billions of years. We've explored some amazing secrets about our solar system today, from the extreme environments of Venus and Titan to the cosmic pinball machine that shaped our solar system. And I hope you're as blown away as I am by the sheer scale and complexity of it all. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a day on Venus. But the best part is, we're only just scratching the surface. There's so much more to discover, so many more mysteries to unravel. Every new mission, every telescope observation, brings us closer to understanding the intricate workings of our cosmic neighborhood. So, which fact surprised you the most? Was it the lead-melting temperatures of Venus, the methane lakes of Titan, or the ice volcanoes of Triton? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by space exploration as I am, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll be exploring more of the universe's wonders. We'll be venturing beyond our solar system, into the vast expanse of the Milky Way galaxy, to uncover the secrets of black holes, supernovas, and the search for extraterrestrial life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.